Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce the spatial and dual head unit for Mazda CX-5 2013 to 2015 years. Okay, here is the box. Let me unbox the review. Okay, you can check head units with good condition. There is a bigger box. With joystick. Here is head unit. This is the install part. Okay. Let me introduce. Okay, let me introduce the harness first. You can check this special harness for Mazda CX-5. Mazda CX-5 canvas box. Okay, this is radio antenna. Okay, radio antenna. A special harness. Okay. Okay. This GPS antenna. This USB cable. Two USB cable. External microphone. Okay. This is external microphone. This camera input. AUX left and right. This video input. Okay. This AUX. You can check AUX input left and right. Left and right rear. This audio cable. Subwoofer. Okay. So video out 1 and video out 2. Okay, this is audio cable for rear and front, left and right. Okay, it comes with a joystick, you can check. Let me show. You can check this is joystick. This connector. Okay, you can check this shape. Okay. And here is the install part. This is the install kit with screw. Okay. Let me introduce the head unit. This is drum agent. Okay, you can check 10.1 inch spatial head unit. You can check 10.1 inch side. Okay, let me show this way, this side. Okay, you can check. Okay, let me check the back. This GPS antenna, fuse, power, connectors. This radio port, Wi-Fi antenna. This connects the. This connector. You can check this. And this way connects the joystick. Connect the joystick. Okay. Let me show. It needs the. Okay, let me power with 12 voltage. The head unit will be start. Okay. Okay, you can check the unit start. Okay, with this 10.1 inch, you can take out the screw protector. Okay. 10.1 inch, very big screw. This microphone, reset home, so SD card slots. SD card slots. Okay. You can check this very fast response. You can install the wallpaper. Set the wallpaper. Okay, already installed. Let me check the settings. About motion, you can check model is PX5 Octa Core rack chip. Android version is 8.0. Oreo. Okay. Let me back the home. Okay, if you have any more questions, you can visit belsee.com to contact to us. Thank you, that's all. Later I will do the review demo video.